We've all lived through the nightmare of fittings bursting off the hose. Holman Grip and Lock technology is an Australian designed innovation offering reusability that is lacking in machine-fitted hoses and guaranteed not to leak. Grip and Lock technology works with an extra long barbed tail that grips the inside of the garden hose, while a plastic compression ring locks down on the outside of the hose for a superior connection, guaranteeing no leaks, drips or blow-offs. To attach your Grip and Lock fitting to the hose, start by hand tightening the tap adapter to the tap. Unscrew the nut from the fitting and remove the blue compression ring by knocking the side gently on a hard surface. Place the nut onto the hose first, followed by the compression ring. Insert the fitting into the hose and push it all the way and screw the nut onto the fitting. Our Grip and Lock fittings are ideal for nozzles, guns and sprinklers and are compatible with all standard hose fittings. For more information, please visit our website at holmanindustries.com.au.